You cannot read the warning. Sympathy, can't get the back of chatting. You see me here? Hey! You cannot read the warning. Sympathy, can't get the back of chatting. You see me here? Hey!
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Today we're going to be talking about Alkaline and Masicka. Please like and share the video. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay? To my acknowledgement, Alkaline look like he's coming back for dancehall. Alkaline look like he's coming for anybody who want to clash him, because we all know that Alkaline hasn't been consistent, you know what I mean, in dancehall at all, because Alkaline has been out of the country. Now, recently, Alkaline pops back up after his father passed away, or after Masicka did a song. He did his song and started to show subliminal, you know what I mean. But what I want is the two artists to come together and go on the stage and do the lyrical battle for the fans, for the people of Jamaica. And let the people decide who is the baddest, who is the GOAT. Don't just give an artist the name GOAT because he is your artist. You get me? No disrespect to none of the artists them. You see me? Respect to Alkaline, respect to Masicka, CMA, respect to Masicka fans, respect to Alkaline fans. But the facts is the facts, alright? Dancehall people now, them talk say Alkaline a try to look a comeback off a Masicka career because Alkaline career kind of went asleep. You get me? Alkaline career need to wake up. So Alkaline is trying to wake back up his career off Masicka's highlight and Masicka's fame. You get what I'm saying, people? That's what people saying, not me, in the comment section all over. They are saying that Alkaline is trying to look back on hype and look back on fame. Alkaline is trying to put back his name into dancehall, which that is a good thing, you know. It's not a bad thing to try to come back up to fame, come back up to popularity, you know what I mean? Because you already have your fans and you already have your catalog, you know, you're lyrically inclined, Alkaline. You see me? Very, very talented artists, viewers and subscribers. Me not take that from Alkaline, but the people, them say Alkaline need to call Masicka name. Alkaline need to man up, be a man, and call Masicka name. Because you cannot show subliminal at Masicka and you not call his name directly to make the war start, brother. Because people are say Alkaline afraid to call Masicka name because Masicka will end in career, because Masicka are the hottest thing in a dancehall right now when you mention the two artists them name. You get me? So Alkaline, them say Alkaline afraid to call Masicka name because I'm worried about him career, and Alkaline I worry about him reputation. But what me have to say is Alkaline just call Masicka name so the war can start, because you don't know dancehall want to see it, you know. Yeah man, dancehall I call feet Alkaline because the two are two talented artists. You get me? So it just take one man to call a next man name so the real thing can start. You see me? No joke about that. And as I say, viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up to Masicka same way. Big up to Masicka and him fans him same way. You see me? And the same thing goes to Masicka to same way, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Don't judge me for me, I say now. What streets I say, you see me? When I mention the two artists, them name, Masicka and Alkaline, viewers and subscribers, there is kind of a difference, because one artist in a Jamaica right now, and him songs them a play in a the party in a Jamaica right now. So that's why I say, me think that Alkaline is afraid also, because the people them must say Alkaline afraid him career go down the drain if him run up and call Masicka name and Masicka come out and lyrically kill him. You see me? Lyrically kill him on stage in front of millions of people all over the world, not only in Jamaica, because you don't know, once camera they pan you, the whole world I see you, know. You see me? So, but me not like to viewers and subscribers. I like to say the lyrical battle just to get this over with. You get me? But we don't even know if we're going to see the lyrical battle, because I don't know. The two artists then they on tour. Masicka they on tour. You see me? Alkaline they on tour. The two man them busy. I put in some work, see me, and I do the thing for dancehall, see me. But no joke, them can sparks back a look of fire in a dancehall, you know, people. Big man thing, just like how Mavado and Vibes Cartel did it. You see me? Just like how other artists from back in the days, come out and do it. Ninja Man, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Merciless, you see me, Kipridge, Black Rhino, you see me, all the artists come out and do some clash on stage. And see that them still there, them career still there, so I don't know what stop them two man from call each other name. It's like no man know say yo them started first. No man know call no artist name for make it look like say them are the troublemaker viewers and subscribers. But when you leave it in the comment section, what you think about this? If this war should go on and get it over with, because that's what I think, viewers and subscribers. I want to leave honest opinion in the comment section about the video and tell me what you don't like too. Either, you see me? I appreciate everybody who reached this far in the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please, I ask you, like, share, subscribe to let my video reach an algorithm. And thank you. Until the next one, I'm out, people. God bless.